Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vaiparina Pianti. I will presentation about the role of technology in shaping the future of education. Okay. Before the integration of technology in education has become increasingly prevalent, transforming the learning landscape and ushering in a new era of possibilities. In slide 2 about technology in learning, enhancing accessibility and quality of education. And number 1 is breaking down barriers. Technology empowers individuals with disabilities to access education and learn at their own pace. This include assistive technology, screen readers, braille displays, and text-to-speech software help students with visual impairments access educational materials. Is next is mobile education, recognition software, and alternate input option allow learners with physical limitations to use computers and digital devices. And that is virtual and augmented reality, interactive features, and instructional materials and simulation provide immersive learning experience for students with diverse abilities. Number 2, about personalized learning, adaptive learning platform, and interactive tools cater to diverse uh, learning styles and abilities, ensuring that each student receives tailored education. Interactive tools, multimedia research, simulation, and virtual reality experience enhance engagement and understanding. And next, and personalized feedback. Adaptive learning platform provide personalized feedback, helping students track their progress and adjust their learning strategies. And number 3, about global reach, online learning resource provide access to education regardless of geographic location or economic status. Online learning resource provide access to education regardless of geographic location or economic status. Like a learning platform, students can access courses, learning materials, and assessment tools from any location in the world. Or mobile apps, language learning platform like Duolingo, and educational apps like Remind provide access to additional content on to go. And less about engineering content, multimedia resource simulation, and virtual reality experience enhance engagement and understanding. Like interactive simulation, digital lab simulation, and virtual reality experience provide immersive learning experience. Or multimedia resource, educational videos, podcasts, and ebooks provide engine content for students. Um, and technology has revolutionized education by breaking down barriers, providing personalized learning experience, and offering global access to educational by leveraging this advancement. Educators can create engine and effective learning environments that cater to diverse need abilities. And next, about personalized learning experience adapting to individual needs. Learning at your learning at our own pace. Technology allows students to learn at their own pace, focusing on areas where they need more support and moving ahead in areas where they excel. This approach helps students. Number one, about student can identify the strength and weakness. Technology helps students identify their strength and weakness, allowing them to focus on area where they need improvement. And customized learning, students can learn at their own pace, moving ahead in areas where they excel, and focusing on area where they need more support or improve retention. By focusing on area where they need more support, students are more likely to retain the information and achieve better understanding. Tailored content and activities. Educational platform can personalize learning paths by recommending relevant content, activities, and assessments based on individual learning styles and needs. This approach helps students engage with learning. Tailored content and activities help students engage with learning, making it more enjoy and interactive. Can improve understanding by providing relevant content activities. Students are more likely to understand and retain the information. For personalized feedback and support, technology provides opportunities for individuals' feedbacks and support, ensuring that every student receives the assistance they require to success. Um, to improve health student, improve performance, personalized feedback and support help students improve their performance as they receive target assistance to guidance, and student can help students increase confidence by receiving personal feedback and support. Students are more likely to feel confident in their abilities and achieve better outcomes. Or enhance learning experience. Personalized feedback and support enhance the learning experience, making it more effective and engaging. Ulang. Enhance learning experience, personalized feedback and support. Enhance the learning experience, making it more effective. And next, collaborative learning environment, fostering engagement and teamwork. Real-time interaction, online platform facilitate real-time collaboration. Students can share ideas, research, and participate in group discussion. Uh, Share workspace collaboration tools allow students to work on projects together, regardless of their physical location. Their tools foster teamwork and share responsibility. By leveraging this advancement, educator can create a more collaborative and engaging learning environment that promote teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skill. And next about immersive learning, leveraging virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality are VR or AR technologies over immersive learning experience that can transfer education. VR, the simulation allows students to explore historical events, delve into complex scientific concept or practice real-world skill in safe, controlled environments. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing traditional learning material. For example, students can use AR apps to view 3D models of anatomical structure or explore virtual tours of historical landmarks. In virtual and augmented reality (VR or AR), technologies have revolutionized the education sector by providing immersive learning experience that can transform the way students learn. Key benefits include is immersive learning experience, um, collaborative learning, or accessibility, and infrastructure challenge. The adoption of VR and AR in education comes with challenges, include cost consideration, the need suitable technical infrastructure, content development, content development complexibilities, and the necessity to address safety concerns. Next, about data-driven insight improving teaching and learning outcomes. Okay, personalized learning data help teacher understand individual student needs and tailor instruction accordingly. This leads to improved engagement and learning outcomes. Um, and next, early intervention. Data analysis can identify struggling students early on, allowing for target support and intervention. This reduces learning gaps and improve overall student success. And less effective curriculum design. Data helps educators understand which teaching methods and curriculum elements are most effective. This allows for continuous improvement and optimize of the learning experience. Okay, next. In this slide about digital literacy, preparing students for the 21st century. Um, number and one about critical thinking. Students need to be able to analyze information, evaluate sources, and from their own conclusion. And next, collaboration. Digital literacy involves working effectively with others in online environments. And next, about digital skills. Students need to be proficient in using technology for communication, learning, and problem solving. And let's creativity digital tools can be used to express idea in innovative way. In critical thinking, this involves developing critical thinking, which include analysis and evaluating information. Students need to be able analyze and evaluate information. They receive consider factor and credibility relevance, and bias. Next is performing conclusion. Students need to be able to form their own conclusion based on the information they have analysis and evaluate. And student can developing independent through critical thinking involves developing independent through thought and not simply accepting information at face value. In collaboration, this includes communication. Students need to be able to communication effectively with others in online environment using digital tools and platforms or collaboration tools. Students need to be familiar with collaboration tools such as Google Docs, Trello, and Slack, which enable them to work together on progress and share information. In digital skill, this include basic computer skill. Students need to have basic computer skill, including typing, using a mouse, and navigating digital interface. Um, Digital tools, students need to be familiar with digital tools such as Microsoft Office, Google Suite, and Adobe Creative Cloud, which are commonly used in education and the workplace. And let's problem solving. Students need to use technology to solve problem and complete tasks efficient. In creativity, this include digital art. Students can use digital tools such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to create digital art and express the creativity. And digital storytelling. Students can use digital tools such as video editing, software, and blogging platform to tell story and share their ideas. And digital music, students can use digital tools such as a music production software and online platform to create and share music. And next, about equitable access, bridging the digital divide. Affordable device, providing low cost or subsidized device can ensure that students from all backgrounds have access to necessary technology. Reliable connectivity, expanding broadband infrastructure, and providing internet access to underserved communities is crucial from equal learning opportunities or digital literacy training, equipping teacher and student with the skill to effectively use technology for learning is essential from bridging the digital divide. By addressing this factor, educator can ensure that all students have equal access to technology and the opportunities it provides, regardless of their background or socioeconomic status. And next, about challenge and consideration, ethical implication, and scalability. Okay, so number one, about privacy and data security. Collecting and using student data raises privacy concerns. Schools must ensure responsible data handling and project student information from unauthorized access. Um, this include data protection, Data protection. School must implement robust data protection measure to prevent unauthorized access. There are loss of student data and include transparency. School must be transparent about how they collect, use, and store student data, ensuring their parents and students are informed about data collection process. Number two, about training and support. Integrating technology effectively requires teachers to be adequately trained and support. Professional development progress are essential for educators to adapt their teaching practice to leverage technology. This include technology integration. Teacher must be trained to effectively integrate the technology into their teaching practice, ensure that technology is used to enhance learning outcomes and pedagogical support. Teachers need pedagogical support to develop their skill in using technology to support student learning, such as lesson uh, planning and assessment strategies and ongoing support. Teachers require ongoing support to stay up to date with the latest technological advancement and best practice in technology integration. And number three, about digital divide. Unequal access to technology and internet connectivity can exacerbate existing inequalities in education. Bridging the digital divide is crucial to ensure equitable to access to technology enhanced learning. Include access device, ensuring that all students have access to device and internet connectivity is essential to bridging the digital divide. Um, and internet connectivity, providing reliable and fast internet connectivity is crucial for students to access online research and participate in online learning. And digital literacy. Teaching digital literacy skill to student and teacher is essential for effective use to technology in education. And number four, about ethical consideration. AI powered learning platform raise ethical questions about bias in algorithm and potential misuse of student data. Transparency, accountability, and ethical guidelines are crucial. Include transparency. Apple Learning platform must be transparent about their algorithm and data collection process. And accountability. AI-powered learning platform must be accountable from any biases or errors in their algorithm. And ethical ethical guidelines. AI-powered learning platform must adhere to ethical guidelines and standards to ensure responsible use of student data. And next, about embracing the future of education through technology. The integration of technology in education is not merely a trend, it's a necessary step toward a brighter future. Technology empowers educators and learners to negative the complexities of the 21st century. Here are some key points that highlight the importance of technology integration in education. Number one, enhance learning outcomes. Technology integration can improve learning outcomes by providing personalized learning experience, interactive multimedia content, and real-time feedback. This can lead to increased students' engagement, improved retention rates, and better academic performance. Number two is increase accessibility. Technology integration can make learning more accessible for a student with disabilities, English language learnings, and is from diverse socioeconomic backgrounds. This can help bridge the digital divide and ensure that all students have equal access to educational research. Number three is improved communication. Technology integration can facilitate communication among teachers, students, and parents. This can include tools such as email, messaging apps, and online portals for sharing information and collaboration on projects. And let's about enhance collaboration. And technology integration can foster collaboration among students and teachers by providing tools for group projects, um, peer review, and online discussion. This can promote teamwork, problem solving, and critical thinking. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry if I'm wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.